Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're doing well. Today I brought you a project on machine learning, and the concept of the project is nothing but we are going to classify here whether the job posted in job portal sites, it's fake or genuine. Okay, binary classification we are doing here. We are using a data set officially from Kaggle website to train our model, and we have applied some multiple models, and the best model we deployed at the user side such that users can register and log in. After that, they can perform the job classification whether it is fake or genuine. So let's get started. This is our landing page of our project. Let me tell you what are the technologies we are using for developing this project. For front-end development, we have used HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript along with Bootstrap. For back-end programming, we are using Python along with the Django framework. And for database, we are using MySQL. So this project is completely, you can see it's a kind of very real-time or realistic user interface is there. Let us start with the user and administrator module. So for the better and smooth flow of the project, I will open administrator in separate tab and user in separate tab. Let's start with the administrator first. So let's go to admin and perform the admin login here. Once the admin login is successful, we can see here admin dashboard is displayed, and in the dashboard we can see here how many number of some information is available, how many number of users are there in this project, and how many number of data sets have been uploaded till now, how many predictions have been done. Okay, a mostly used algorithm, what is the best performed algorithm is random forest here. And in the dashboard also, here we can see all the accuracy metrics here of the graph analysis, accuracy, precision, recall, and reference score of all the 4 models which have been applied on our data set. Okay, decision tree is there, 97% accuracy. Next we have got Naïve Bayes, 95% accuracy. Next we have got Logistic Regression, 97.5%, and random forest highest 98.3%. Okay, so this model, out of these 4, we are deploying this random forest at the user side for predicting or classifying the fake job. Now let us go to manage users here. Under manage users, we can see here if any new users are registered. Under pending users, those accounts will be displayed, and the administrator will authenticate and authorize that user account. After that, under fake job, if you go, we have the option here, upload dataset. Let's try to upload the CSV file here, the dataset file which we are using. First of all, let me show you what is the CSV file from the project folder. This is my project folder. Inside the project folder, we have got the dataset folder. Let's open this, and there are 2 different files are there. Basically, this file is after data pre-processing. Clean data is available. Let's open this file. And you can see here, we are using this data set and how many columns we have. Title is there, location is there, department is there, company, profile, description of the job. Basically, description is very important. Next, we have got requirements, benefits. Next, employment type is there. Next, we have got required experience, how much they are asking. Next, required education. Industry, what is the industry? Function. Next, we have got, the target variable or output variable. Fraudulent, where it's fake or genuine. Now here, we have got binary classification 0, 1. And let me show you how many records do we have. We have altogether around 17,000 change records. Data points are available. 17,000 change data points are available. And let's upload this in our application to check what's happening. Inside the project folder, we can see dataset folder here. Let's select this clean dataset. Now upload the dataset. Once the dataset is uploaded, we can apply the algorithms and check for the best performed algorithm in graph. And here, after the dataset is uploaded, we can view the dataset data in a web page. Here it is. Title, location, department, description, all the columns. This is the data set. Now next is algorithms. We have got 4 different algorithms. Let's go to the first algorithm, decision tree, and let's try to execute this algorithm on our data set and see what is the accuracy metrics we'll get here. 95% of accuracy we are getting, precision 78%, recall is 82, F1 score 80. Let's go with some other algorithm as Naïve Bayes algorithm. Let's run this also. And 93% of accuracy, precision score, recall, F1 score, which is very less. Logistic regression, run it, 93%. Okay. Next, random forest, run this. And we have got 97%. Okay. Precision 77, recall is 94, F1 score is 84%. Now inside analysis, if we go algorithm analysis is there, we can see the graph here. Okay, we can see the graph here. Now let's go to the user side and try to predict this. I'm going to user and let's go to the user registration first. We have to register in this application in order to use the feature. Let us perform the registration. Can provide some details. Profile picture we have to upload. Register. Registration is successful. Let's try to log in now. Your request is in pending. Please wait until acceptance. So as I told earlier, administrator will authenticate the user account. So let's go to the administrator. Under manage users, we have the option here pending users, in which we can see here there is a user whose account status is pending. Let's try to accept this user account. Now if we log in now, it should log in. Yes, the login is successful, and we have the option here. Okay, this is the dashboard kind of interface we have created for user. Next, we have got predict job here, and we have the form here to fill. Let's try to fill this form for better clarity whether our model is predicting correctly or not. Let us provide the data from the data set to check whether the model has been trained correctly or not. So I'll open the dataset file here. Randomly, I'll pick up any record. Okay, let's say this record. Let's color it. And what is the label for that? I'll just freeze the first row by going to the view and freeze pane, freeze top row. Now it will be very convenient for me to check the label as well as the data. Scroll down below. Where is that record we have given? We have highlighted the color. Here it is. So let us see what is the classification for this record which we have selected. And the classification is 0, which means it's genuine. Our model should predict this as genuine. Let us try to provide these details in our model. So the title of the job is this one. Let's copy this and paste here. Next, job location is there. Job location, department, salary range. We can provide some salary range here, $5,000. Description of the job, here it is. Company profile, here it is. Requirements, let's copy the requirements. Next, we have got required education. Here it is, master's degree, it says. Required experience, director. Benefits, here it is. Employment type, full time. Industry, where is the industry? Oil and energy. Function is finance. Let's try to provide this. And after providing all the details, let's try to predict job and see what's the result we are getting. We should get genuine job post. Prediction successful. Let's try to scroll down below, and you can see the result is genuine here. All the details, whatever we have provided, is displaying here. Okay, job details are this, and it is classified as genuine. So our random forest model, which we have deployed at user side, is predicting this job as genuine. Let's try to predict one more time, but this time we will go for the another record. So now I will select from here fraudulent. Okay, let's try to filter this fraudulent column, apply filter, and from here filter. Now I will select the records which holds 1. Now from this, let us pick up anything. Okay, we'll select this one. Okay, and let's, for better visibility, let's color this record. Now let's provide the details. Query job. Job title is this. Job location. Department. Salary range 5,000. Description. Company profile. Requirements, here it is. Required education. Required experience, entry level. Benefits. Weekly pay bonuses. Employment type is full-time. Industry, finance, and sales function. Let's try to predict this. Our random forest model should predict this as, okay, it should classify this job post as fake. Okay, let's see now. Prediction is successful. We have got the result, and you can see the result is fake. This job post is fake 100%, which means our model, random forest model, 97 or 98%, it is saying this job post is fake. Okay, so which means our model training and testing have been done very correctly. Okay, so this was the project. Hope you have understood it very clearly. Let me show you front-end and back-end code of this project. Let's go to the project folder. Here it is. Here, go to the address bar and remove everything. Type CMD in order to open the command prompt in this current folder. And after that, you need to open this complete project folder in VS Code. So for that, you need to type this command, code space dot. Make sure that you have installed the VS Code in your system. Now this complete project folder will open in VS Code. Fine, this is my project folder. First of all, let me show you where is the code we have written for connecting to the database. So if you go to fake job detection project, there is a file with the name settings.py here. Open that settings.py file, and here you can see the information about the database. There is a dictionary here. Okay. If you scroll down a bit, you will find a dictionary with the name databases. In this dictionary, you can see here some information like the database engine which we are using is MySQL, and the name of our database is Fake Job Prediction. The host is localhost. Here in this local system only, this is the IP address of the local system. The MySQL server is hosted in the local server. Username to connect to MySQL server is root, and the password is blank. Port number is 3306 for connecting to the MySQL, and option. Okay, we have got init command here, which is set to strict mode. Now this is the connection string which we have given to connect to MySQL server. Where is the front-end code? Let us see that for front-end code, we have to go to the assets folder. Under assets folder, there is a folder with the name templates. Expand that, you will see here 3 different folders. Basically, every folder consists of its own HTML files. Like admin consists of admin related HTML files. Admin dashboard, you can see this is the code for admin dashboard. If you want, you can edit here. If you are aware of HTML code, you can edit something and modify here whatever you want. Similarly, if you go to user related HTML files, okay, user dashboard, user predict page, this is a predict page. Okay, here also if you want, you can modify any changes. Main folder consists of the common files like about page, home page, contact page, which are common to both admin and user. Now this was about front end. Let's go to the back end. For back end, we know it very well. In Django applications, in Django framework, we will have the concept of project and apps. A single project can consist of many apps. Now this fake job detection project consists of some apps like admin app is there, main app is there, user app is there. 3 different apps it consists basically. And all the apps, if you expand, consist of the very similar files, same files. You can see here admin.py, here also admin.py, apps.py, here also apps.py, models.py, models.py, test.py, test.py, views.py, views.py. So basically, every app will have their own isolated space because of that reason. This is the concept in Django. Now, if you go to views.py file, which consists of the main code of backend, okay, views.py. Open the user app views.py file. This is the code for user related, okay, user related backend functionalities. All the functions will be available here. Like these are all the libraries which we are importing. Remember that this project uses NLTK library. Okay, natural language processing concept is there, so it uses NLTK. Total project depends on NLTK. Okay, because we have to do some data pre-processing, for that NLTK is used. Next, we have got a function here, user dashboard and user profile function is there. From here only the profile page, okay, will be there. Like profile page we have not seen. Let me show you the profile page. If you go to my profile, we can see here our profile which we have given at the time of registration is available. If you want, you can modify information here. Okay, like I can change here the mobile number and it will be updated. Okay, so this is our profile. Now if you scroll down below, you can see user predict function is there for predicting this. Okay, all the user inputs we are first storing in variables. Every input we are storing in variables. Then we are calling our model here. Got it? Stop words, setting the stop words, stemmer. Okay, user result page. User result page will do the prediction. Pickle file we are calling here. And one more, another pickle file. This is the code. Now this is the actual code which does the prediction of our job, whether it's genuine or fake. You can see here X test consists of these variables: job title, job location, job description, job company profile, description, job requirement, job benefits, employee type, required education, job industry, function. Got it? Next, let us go to the admin views.app, and here you can see the admin related functionality. All these are libraries which are required for this project. We are importing all the libraries, and sklearn we are calling here. Okay, because we know it very well, sklearn is used for machine learning model training. All the libraries will be available in sklearn only. Admin dashboard function. Next, we have got admin algorithm comparison function. All those 4 algorithms we are comparing, because in the dashboard only we are displaying that information. Then admin all users is there. Admin decision tree is there. Logistic regression, Naïve Bayes. Admin pending users function is there. Admin, okay, random forest function is there. Admin upload is there. Okay, dataset upload. Admin view dataset. Admin accepting the user, declining the user. Okay, Random forest classification we are doing here. Similarly, logistic regression classification we are doing here. Next, Naïve Bayes, model training and decision tree. Okay, model training here. And we have got the button here for submission purpose. So this was the code about the job classification, whether it's fake or genuine. Hope you have understood it very clearly. If you still have any doubts regarding the project explanation or execution, you can ping me on my WhatsApp number, which has been given in this video. With this, I conclude the project, okay, explanation and execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.